Want to ride a horse into the sunset, hike a live volcano for breakfast, or go flying over the ocean? All for under $100. In this video, we'll show you 10 real experiences in Bali that feel expensive but aren't. From waterfalls to secret temples, these are the best budget adventures in 2025. And number 7, you won't believe it. 1. Mount Batur sunrise hike and volcanic breakfast. What kind of sunrise makes you forget you woke up at 2 a.m.? The one you see from the top of Mount Batur. It starts in the dark, stars above, flashlights below, and icy air in your lungs. Your guide leads the way up the volcanic trail. No noise, just crunching rocks and distant temple bells. At the summit, you watch Bali glow awake, sky changing by the second. Then comes breakfast, eggs and bananas cooked by volcanic steam, rising hot from black rock. It's simple, it's surreal, and it's all included: pickup, guide, flashlight, food, for around $33 if you book smart through Klook or get your guide. Aim for the dry season, wear layers, and go early in your trip. Because nothing else in Bali feels quite like this. It's not just a sunrise, it's a reset. 2. Mount Batur sunrise jeep tour plus hot springs dip. Not a fan of hiking at 2 a.m.? No problem. With the Mount Batur Jeep Sunrise Tour, you still get the view, without the climb. Around 4 a.m., a 4x4 Jeep picks you up and drives along the lava trail to a private viewpoint. It's bumpy, cold, and totally worth it. You'll watch the horizon glow orange behind misty mountains while sipping hot coffee. After sunrise, you head straight to nearby natural hot springs. Steam curling off warm mineral water as you soak beside the lake. It's the perfect way to warm up and relax. The tour includes the Jeep ride, guide, breakfast, and hot spring entry, all for around $40. Wear warm layers, bring a towel and swimsuit. If you're visiting in dry season, book early, it sells out fast. For those who want the sunrise without the steep climb, this is Bali's cheat code. 3. 3-in-1 water adventure. Parasailing, jet ski, and banana boat. Craving adrenaline? This is your Bali triple threat. In Tanjung Benoa, you can go parasailing, jet skiing, and banana boating, all in one combo for under $70. It starts with a jet ski ride across the open sea, just you with a throttle. Then, you're lifted into the sky by a parasail, soaring over turquoise waves with stunning coastal views. Finally, a wild banana boat ride that spins, flips, and guarantees laughs. The package includes hotel pickup, safety gear, and guides for each activity. It runs about 3 to 4 hours, perfect for breaking up a beach day. Book online, not on the street, to avoid tourist markups. Go in the morning or late afternoon for calmer seas and golden light. 3 thrills, 1 memory card full of footage, and a serious splash of fun, all without blowing your budget. 4. Authentic Balinese cooking class with market tour. Ever wondered what gives Balinese food its bold, earthy flavor? It starts at the local market and ends in your own handmade dish. This half-day cooking class begins with a guided trip to a traditional market, where you'll pick out fresh herbs, exotic spices, and colorful produce. Then, head to a local kitchen and learn how to make classic dishes like chicken satay, gado-gado, and yellow rice. Some classes offer vegan or vegetarian menus too. You'll cook, eat, and even take the recipes home. The experience costs between $25 and $45, often with hotel pickup included. Morning classes offer the freshest ingredients, but evening sessions are available too. Book with a top-rated provider for smaller groups and better instruction. And wear light clothes. You'll be cooking over real flames. This isn't a tourist buffet. It's a crash course in real Balinese flavor, and you're the chef. 5. Ubud Organic Farm and Cooking Combo. Want to get off the tourist path and into real village life? This experience takes you deep into the heart of Bali's countryside. You'll start with a walk through an organic farm where locals grow ginger, lemongrass, turmeric, and vegetables using traditional methods. Then you'll learn to cook a full Balinese meal right on the farm, using ingredients you picked just minutes earlier. From spicy sambal to slow-cooked curry, the food is fresh, earthy, and full of soul. The tour usually lasts 4 to 5 hours and includes lunch, a cooking guide, and sometimes pickup, all for about $35. Go in the morning for cooler weather and richer light. Wear closed shoes and long sleeves to protect from bugs. It's more than just a meal. It's connection, tradition, and the quiet beauty of rural Bali in every bite. 6. Coffee Plantation and Chocolate Workshop. This one's for coffee lovers and chocolate addicts alike. Nestled in the hills near Ubud, local plantations like Segara Windu Coffee Plantation and Bali Pulina Agro-Tourism offer guided tours where you can see, touch, and taste Bali's most famous beans. You'll learn how Arabica and Robusta coffee are grown, roasted, and brewed. And yes, you'll try the rare Luwak coffee, made using a unique fermentation process. The real treat, a hands-on cacao workshop where you'll grind beans, melt chocolate, and create your own custom bar. All this, plus tastings and a full plantation tour, costs around $30 USD. Most experiences last 2 to 3 hours. Visit mid-morning to beat the heat and skip buying souvenirs on-site. Prices are often marked up for tourists. This is a rich, sensory deep dive into Bali's most prized flavors, and you'll lead with chocolate on your hands and coffee in your veins. 7. Waterfall Tour plus Jungle Temple Combo. If you've only seen Bali's beaches, you haven't seen Bali. Just outside Ubud, a full-day tour takes you to some of the island's most stunning waterfalls, like Tukad Sipang, where sunlight beams through a cave roof like a spotlight. You'll also stop at Tibumana and Teganungan, each with a unique vibe. One calm, one wild. Many tours include a visit to a jungle temple or sacred spring too. The 8-hour trip covers hotel pickup, transport, entry fees, and lunch for around $35 USD. Go early to beat the crowds and catch the best light. Bring a dry bag, water shoes, and something fast-drying. It's one of the best ways to explore the greener, quieter side of Bali. And yes, you can swim at every stop. 8. Hidden Canyon plus Elephant Cave plus River Trek. Ready to crawl, climb, and splash through ancient Bali. This full-day adventure begins at Biji Guwain Hidden Canyon, a narrow gorge carved by rushing water. You'll wade waist-deep through cool streams, climb smooth boulders, and squeeze between moss-covered rock walls. Then it's off to Go Gagja, the Elephant Cave, a mysterious 11th century temple with haunting stone carvings. Many tours also include a jungle waterfall or scenic lunch stop. The 8-hour trip includes hotel pickup, guide, entry fees, and lunch, all for around $85 USD. Wear quick dry clothes and sturdy water shoes. The canyon can get slippery. This is more than sightseeing. It's part nature trek, part spiritual journey, and part obstacle course. And yes, you'll remember it long after you dry off. 9. Seminyak Sunset Horseback Ride. Riding a horse along Seminyak Beach at sunset feels like a dream. And it's only $43. You'll enjoy a 1-hour guided ride with golden skies and soft waves beside you. It's beginner-friendly, with trained horses and safety gear included. Go around 5 p.m. for sunset light and ride at low tide for stunning reflections. Wear comfy clothes and closed shoes. No saddlebag, so keep your phone secure. It's not just a ride, it's a memory in motion. 10. Rice Terrace Trek plus Batu Karu Temple Tour. Explore Bali's famous Jatiluwe rice terraces on a peaceful trek through rough emerald green fields. You'll learn about the ancient Subak system and see real village life. Afterward, visit serene Batu Karu Temple, hidden in the forest. The 4 to 6 hour tour includes a guide, temple entry, and sometimes lunch, under $50 total. Go early for the best light. Bring sunscreen, a camera, and extra socks. It's a slow scenic escape and a perfect ending to your trip. You don't need a big budget to live big in Bali, just the right plan. Subscribe to Escape Days for more unforgettable travel guides that show you where to go, what to skip, and how to travel smarter every time.